Hello, it's David at Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. Just like to walk you around our rather special 2002 Ford Puma 1.7 Thunder. It's one of only approximately 2,000 ever produced by Ford, and according to DVLA records there's only 168 left on the road. This car's done 29,500 miles from new. It really is very much like looking at a car driven off a production line in 2002. We have the original sales invoice when it was purchased new as an ex-demonstrator. It was then driven until 2010, when unfortunately the owner passed away, and it's been in dry storage ever since. The condition is quite incredible. The bodywork, the paintwork, the Pumas, anybody in the Ford world would know, suffer terribly with the rear wheel arches rusting away. They're completely original. So being a Thunder, it's got the smoke headlights, it's got the full leather trim, it's got air conditioning, it really is just a time warp of a car. In the Ford world, it's just impossible to find a good Ford at this sort of era. We'll go on to the interior. Got the original Puma mats, full leather, aluminium gear knob. It's just incredible to find one. Body and paintwork is all original. Can't see any signs of any paintwork being done during its life. Full details be on our website, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Northampton. The advertised price will be $6,495. There'll be lots more photographs on there. If you'd like any further details, give myself a call, David, anytime. I think the car speaks for itself, to be fair. 29,500 miles. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.